Okay, we can stay for a while for now. Yeah.
Hello. We're not posting for a while. Maybe months.
Yeah, mom.
And we're back playing lifting gym lifting league. Yeah.
I can claim this.
All people right there and like and subscribe and watch the video. All our YouTube and our video are might be daily or maybe weekly.
Yes. We're kind of posting for a while, yeah, so I hope you understand. No rebirth already.
Yeah.
Yo, is that koala?
What do you mean?
Look.
I don't know.
Yo, let's go to here. It says 300 plus strength. And I'm lagging so badly. No pain, no gain. What? Yo! Go through here. It's giving me 150 strength right now. Here. Bro, you're in front of it.
Oh, have you seen on this time?
No! You're gonna be dead if you go there.
Sorry.
Here.
Why is it nothing?
Yo, there's auto. Oh man. Yo. Yo, I go. Oh my god, I can pronounce it.
There's more muscle. Wait, more muscle.
I'm at the 300 plus strength now.
Bawal mo grinding. Yan kakit pa yan. Random dude.
Hahaha. Yo, we're lifting a watermelon. What the hell? And we're also I would also bone again. Yep. Same as always.
Get us 10 likes and we make another video.
Yeah, that's all we need.
Yeah, only we need 10k. That's all we need.
Why am I skeleton lifting a big pumpkin?
I don't know about
Yeah. I have not.
Yeah, Years. Only 100 rebirth. Aw.
Come on, dude. Yo, go to the 300% strength.
Oh, I always got beaten.
But I'm not getting beaten. Yo, we upgraded. We upgraded. Oh, okay. I understand now. Please do not get beaten. Seriously, bro. Oh, man. Bro, bro, bro. Yo, our goal is to make it to the. Hey, you're already at roof. Huh? You're already at this thing?
And I'm 16 rebirths right now.
Wait, let me check mine. How to check? Oh, 5 rebirths. Ah, my goal is to get 50,000 strength, and I will end this video. We can make much longer because it's almost dinner. Why, bro? I just want to get 50,000 strength. Why, bro? Yo! You have to get through this. There's no one here right now.
VIP, that's VIP. What do you expect?
I think it's working.
I don't know. Only VIP.
It's 277 it's giving me. I prefer it working, I guess. Ooh, I'm almost at 50k. And I will get beaten again. Alright guys, thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and like. Don't forget to subscribe.
And then comment
Yes.
for us another video.
Yep.
See ya.
Bye.